1955 Chevy Bel Air Nomad. There is a lot of options. Probably the best option Bel Air Nomad out there that's still running. It goes as follows. 265 cubic inch Power Pack V8, Power Glide 2-speed automatic transmission, power brakes, power steering, factory air conditioning, power windows, power seats, electronic brake signal, an Autronic eye with auto dimming headlights. This is 1955. Just letting you guys know. Auto compass, outside sun visor with dash mounted easy eye eyeglass. It's got dual safety lights with mirrors, tinted glass, Wonderbar radio with auto station foot change. It's insane. Fender mounted antenna, front and rear fender guards, door handle shields, front fender shields, body Sill moldings, under hood lamp, exhaust extension tips, special two-tone paint, Cashmere blue and India ivory, wire wheel hubcaps with white walls, and this is the car that the Johnny Lightning little car, die-cast car came with, and we actually have that in the trunk. We'll have to take a look at it. Probably the best option Nomad around, for sure. Let's walk around it, shall we? This is 1955, the big chrome, the beautiful blue, it's gorgeous. There it is, the white walls, the wheels that match, the wonderful headlights with the mirror in the back, which I was tuning. It's so cool, so cool. The slide windows. Wow, it's heavy. I just want to go slow.
And the glass lifts as well.
It just lifts.
There we go.
There we go.
So we do have floor mats and some extra seatbelt hardware in here.
And look, a miniature. It's a perfect little replica. Is that not cool?
And all the books are in here as well, I'm pretty sure.
Oh yes, all the books that it's in.
Service manuals and whatnot. And more Johnny Lightning cars. There's more than one in there.
Yeah, there's at least 4. I think it's a total of 4. How about that?
Look at that.
Solid.
I love the gold badges too.
I love the gold.
That's
I think
just
it's glorious. It's a Bel Air gold Chevy badge.
And there's that exhaust tip you were talking about.
Oh, yes, I was. From the factory. This is crazy. This is a great car. Let's take a look at this beautiful interior. Wow. I don't know if it gets any better. It's got to be one of the best ones ever. A foot changer for the radio. Can't wait to drive it. Power brakes, power steering, factory air. Couldn't be more excited, Jake. Let's get going.
Let's go.
Let's get going. Wow. Windows.
Power windows, look at that.
Isn't it 1955 when Marty went back with Doc Brown?
Yeah, because it was 30 years in the past exactly, and the movie was from 85, was it not?
Correctamundo. It's like we're driving the past.
There's your compass right there.
I love the auto
And
compass.
what is that again?
So that is the easy glass that, okay, we have this huge visor here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, how do you see the stoplight when you get up close to it? You use your easy glass.
Oh, I see. That's so cool.
It is. What a great option for that year. And this is your auto dimming feature, so if I've got my high beams on, it'll automatically make the high beams low beams. 1955.
Oh, when a car's coming towards you, so you don't blind them?
Correct.
That is amazing.
They did a really good job. Chevy was just on a roll.
And looking out at that amazing hood ornament,
yes.
it's just lovely.
The jet edge. It was amazing.
The chrome on the headliner.
I mean,
so awesome.
People can fit in the back seat. Regular folks.
I mean,
folksy folks.
Huge people could fit in the back seat.
Very tall. Look at the headroom here. Not that I was going to take up a lot of headroom, but my goodness. Look at this seat. We could fit 3 normal-sized people up here. You got an automatic, you got air conditioning, great power brakes, great power steering. 1955. Marty! It's going to cruise. That's what it's going to do. It's just going to go.
It's comfortable.
Extremely comfortable.
And I did try the air earlier. It does work.
Yeah.
It works really well.
It's such a nice day. I mean, finally, we got a nice day.
Right.
In the middle of August of all times. This could be the best birthday gift ever. Today's my birthday, Jake.
Is it really?
It is.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
36, 37?
Yeah, let's go for that, Jake. Sadly, I'm in the 50s. 52.
Hey, you're my parents' age now.
Ah, thanks, Jake. That didn't make me feel old at all. Son of a bitch. I really do like this car. The cinematographer's a bastard, but other than that, this car is great. I mean, this is a really, really nice car. I mean, all these options. I can't believe this came this way in 55. You got the vents for the AC in the dash like they were supposed to be from the factory. It's a testament to America's might in the 50s. Eisenhower was president, getting it all together, making the highways. This bad boy used to drive all over, I'm sure. Kids in the back.
Oh, and if you're in the back too, even though it's a two-door, you can open your window still because it just slides open.
Is that not cool?
That's amazing.
It's amazing. It's the 50s. Anything was possible back then.
How about the horn? Oh, it works.
It does. I didn't want to throw people off. Wow. Look how blue. It's as blue as the sky. You're cool, but not as cool as me. Wow. It's got great pickup. I mean, come on, this is a big steel car. Huge steel car. There's no plastic parts. Oh my goodness. What a vehicle. Well, we're going to go down a little further. Jake, there you are. This is a beast. I love it a lot. Good to see you run, Jake.
Yeah.
Jake, this is a cruiser. You have to cruise back.
I do want to cruise back.
Oh, you have to.